Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily print files from OneDrive to your CANON TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the Canon Cloud Printing Center. Basically, it's a site. You guys have the link right here. It's cs.c-ij.com. Now here you will see that you have the options here, and now you select OneDrive, and if you want to print something from the OneDrive, then simply click print. And now, as you guys can see here, you will see everything that is possible to print. So let's print, getting started with OneDrive. And here you guys can basically change the copies. You can change the paper size, the layout, the zoom, and if it's one-sided or two-sided, and the color mode. And after that, if you have paper loaded in your paper tray, then simply click print, and you should be getting a PDF printed out on a A4 and plain paper. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.